Welcome back to another one from Advanced in Car. So, last couple of days, Owen and I have been working on this T6.1. It's been previously converted at Van Haven, and they've done a cracking job, to be fair, with all the various bits and pieces, carbon and things that's all over it and everything, with the interesting different splitter. Not seen one of those before. It's pretty cool, to be fair. Gives it a real nice kind of muscular look to it. And then what was I going to say? Yes, so then we've added our various finishing touches to it. Can't think straight. It's been a bit of a headache one, this one. So this customer has come in for Halo 11, which obviously fits really nicely on the T6.1 dash, because the dash is that kind of a little bit more raised, a little bit bigger, so it ties in really nicely. He's then also had the Alpine speakers, component speakers in the doors, with full 3-stage sound deadening. Admittedly, the stage 2 was already done, so we haven't had to do the outer skin. We just did the main regulator panel, and then obviously our stage 3 on the back of the doors, on the back of the door cards. Whilst they were off, we've also fitted the VW blue ambient lighting, which also comes with the footwell lights as well. And then I've been battling away with fitting a PWE-S8 under the driver's seat. And the reason it's been a battle is because underneath there he's got a decent sized inverter, which is obviously filling up a lot of the space underneath. And then also this van has the large plated swivel seats. So these are the ones that have like there's large moulding bits underneath, and there's one major nut that kind of comes down, holds the whole assembly together, hangs down. So it's meant that I've not had a lot of room to play with. There's been a lot of kind of fiddling around, removing bits and pieces, fettling previous work that's been done in there, but obviously making sure it all goes back in properly and solidly and still works, but also trying to work with the few millimeters of tolerance I've had to get it all in there. But it's all in, it's sounding great, we can really wind it up, and luckily I've managed to do it with no vibrations or rattles or anything, so we've done well. It's all in. It's all sounding good, and I think with the blue ambient lighting and all the orange features and everything like that, it's kind of tied in really nicely. Yeah, I think he's going to be pretty happy. We've retained all his factory reversing camera. Obviously with the T6.1 fitting kit, we've retained all of the menu functions and everything that is normally found in the standard head units and everything. So yeah, I think he's going to drive home pretty happy and pretty pleased. He was a little worried we might not be able to get the sub in, but we've got it in, and I think he's going to be chuffed to bits. So enjoy all the pictures and everything, enjoy everything that we've done. And if you've got a van like this and you think it might be a bit tricky, give us a shout, send us over some pictures and things so we can have a look, and hopefully we'll be able to sort something out for you as well. So check out all the rest of the videos, check out everything else we've been doing with all the other vehicles and all the other T6.1s and T6s as well, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.